Yo, what's up guys, it's Lamansh again with another reaction video. Today I'll be reacting to Footboxg. I will react to two of his shoutouts. First one will be on the Swiss beatbox steps of my journey, and the second one will be Sound of Desire. So yeah, I'm really excited to see these two shoutouts. I know Footboxg is good, I know he's clean, and yeah, let's go into the video. Okay, the first one is Steps of My Journey. Let's go.
Yo guys, this is Footboxg from Belgium, and this is a big shout out to Swiss Beatbox,
Ooh, let's go.
my friend Peponi, and Bart behind the camera.
Bart be art. Let's go.
Those are the steps.
What is that? What is that? Yo, clean.
The steps of my journey. Steps to my journey.
Nice. Oh, that is sick. What is clean, clean. Build up, build up, build up. Oh, let's go. Oh my god, yo, bro. What is that? I don't know how to do that. Bro.
Those are the steps of my journey.
Ooh, that was fire, yo. What is it? Okay. I get it now. Woo. Okay, the second one is Sound of Desire, so let's go into the video.
Yo guys, it's Footboxg, and this is a big shout out to Beatbox Television, Adam, and the American beatbox community. Can't wait to see you again.
Let's go, Footboxg.
The Sound of Desire.
Ooh, damn, that's sick.
The Sound of Desire.
Okay, I'm ready for this.
Desire to kill my brain. Oh, that's
sick and clean. Oh, what is that? Yo, that's sick.
To kill my prey.
Oh my. Oh my god, what? That spit snares. Oh my god, yo.
The sound of desire.
Oh my god, yo. Yo, all I gotta say is I don't need to wash myself for another month because I feel so clean right now after listening to Footboxg. Yo, man, he's cleaner than I don't know. Oh my god. Whew, damn. I don't even want to wash myself anymore. I will just listen to Footboxg and yo, I'm clean. Oh my god, yo, this guy is insane. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Yo, I knew that he was clean and I knew that he was good, but damn, Mr. Footboxg, you are insanely clean. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. And see ya in the next video.